In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Runway ML API key, image to video generation. If you're planning to automate image to video generation with Runway ML, you'll need an API key. Think of the API key as a secure pass that lets your code talk to Runway's services. Getting one is quick and straightforward, and I'll walk you through it so you know exactly what to expect and how to keep your key safe. First, open your browser and head to the developer portal for Runway ML. When you arrive, you'll be prompted to create or confirm your organization name. An organization is simply your workspace in Runway, perfect for keeping projects, collaborators, and billing separated if you need it. Pick a clear, professional name that helps you recognize the workspace later. You can always keep it simple if this is just for your personal experiments. Once you're logged in, you should see an API section right away. It's usually listed in the main navigation, and it may be labeled API or developers depending on the current interface. If the layout looks a little different, that's okay. Runway occasionally updates the UI, but the API area will be easy to spot. Head into that section to manage your keys. Next, look to the top right for the button to create a new key. It may say New API Key or something similar, and clicking it will open a small form. This is where you create a key specifically for your project. Give your key a clear, descriptive name so you can identify it later, something like Image to Video App or Prototype Runner. Naming your keys by project or environment helps you rotate or revoke them without confusion. After naming it, generate the key. You'll see a string of characters. This is your API key. Copy it right away and store it in a secure place, such as a password manager or an environment variable in your development setup. Treat it like a password. Don't share it publicly, don't commit it to version control, and avoid pasting it into screenshots or screen shares. And that's it. You now have your Runway ML API key ready to use for image to video tasks. Use it to authenticate your requests in your code or tools, and you're good to go. If you ever need to manage or revoke access, return to the same API section in the developer portal. Thanks for watching. If this helped, you're all set to start building with Runway ML's image to video capabilities.